Hi, I'm Lauren from LSP Actions. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to get your presets into Lightroom. Beautiful image on my screen shot by Samantha Leon at Little Lion Photography. The first thing you're going to want to do is click this little double circle icon at the top. This is your presets. And if you click the three little dots here, you can hit Import Presets and locate the LSP Harmony Newborn presets or the presets you have on your system. For Lightroom Standard Cloud, I recommend importing the standard set because this is more organized for thumbnails. If you're using Lightroom Classic, please watch the tutorial for that one. The presets appear in little thumbnails, each one showing you a preview of the effect. They also have titles, so you can click on each preset and the effect will be applied. You also have an amount, so you can choose to apply it more or less. These are really flexible. I prefer to view my presets in a named list, so if you click at the top and hit List, you'll get them in a list, a little bit more like Photoshop Actions or how they appear in Lightroom Classic. This way you can hover over the titles, which are self-explanatory, and get a quick preview on your image of what it's going to look like before you click. This also supports the amount slider. If you want to know more about using your presets in a list, please view the tutorials I have for Lightroom Classic. For this tutorial, we're going to focus back on the grid view and show you an edit using these kind of thumbnail previews. The presets are in workflow order. I recommend starting at the top and just hovering your way down, clicking the presets that look really good on your image. This way you can edit your image really quickly, and you can also batch sync the effects to any other images in your gallery. So I'm just going down through the presets right now and going through section by section. We've done the white balance, the temperature. Now we're on the base. You have all these different bases to choose from. Choose the one that works best and most beautifully for your image. And then we're into the masking section, the skin, the eyes, the face, skin masks, retouching, full retouches, everything is here. For example, face brighten, I've just clicked on that one. Skin, soft and creamy. This is using Adobe AI Sensei masks that I've put together for you, so it will work really quickly. I've also included some manual brushes for you. These are brush on, so you click, for example, rosy cheeks, click on the little masking icon, add with a brush, and you just brush this on. Excuse the size of my cursor. It looks huge, but it's because I've had to make the mouse larger so you can see it. Yours would obviously be a lot smaller. Shrink it to size. So now we'll scroll down into the instant section. This is like an instant retouch, lots of masks at once. And you can see this applies an instant edit. But you also have all the individual ones too. Everything here is very flexible. For the full tutorials, please watch the Lightroom Classic versions where I go through it in a lot more detail. We're just on the finish now. I've hit Finish White Booster, and we can see here our before and after. That was just a couple of minutes editing going through, and then you can sync the effect to the rest of the images in your gallery. So I'll see you over in the other tutorials. I hope you love using these presets. I'm Lauren, thanks for watching.